come to an end unless it is met with sanctions, severe sanctions, and penalties. We have the means and resources to do so. Therefore, it is imperative to achieve self-sufficiency in many critical domains, namely the deterring defense industries. And we are prepared to share our expertise and capabilities with you. We are required to intensify our cooperation within these domains in order to ensure a safe and bright futures to our respective generations. I also reiterate, more economic pressures must be exercised on Israel. History has it that these measures are very impactful against Israel. We in Turkey, for 1.5 years, have halted all our commercial dealings with Israel, giving up about $9.5 billion of revenues every year. Also, endorsing the proceedings brought the International Court of Justice is of great significance. In addition to that, we should develop practical mechanism within the framework of the OIC in order to reinforce our regional security. We will continue with our efforts in this direction.